Hello everyone, this is me Satya here and I'm doing your third week of April reading, start from the 15th through the 21st of April 2021. This is going to be for the sign of Taurus. So let's see what is coming up for Taurus for this week time. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading, but no charms will be added, so stay tuned. And while I shuffle the cards, let me remind you it's a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there. So always pick the messages which are resonating and leave the rest. For personal readings, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also follow me on Instagram where I do upload daily readings. So yeah, let's dive into the reading and let's find out what is coming up for you guys for this week time. Nine of Cups, Herobed, Knight of Pentacles, the Hermit. I do see you walking towards your happiness, walking towards or taking action towards your desired wish, um, your biggest dream is what I'm picking up. I do see that you are moving forward and you are not concerned about what's gonna come next. Shall you get scared or not? Um, I do see like you are going towards it with a mindset and you are so sure that you are going to get your wish fulfilled. You don't see it otherwise. Like you don't see no as an answer if it applies to your love life. If it applies to your work life, then too you don't see no as an answer. It seems like your wish is the ultimate goal that you have on your mind, and you know that you're gonna reach there. And it's not about you. um it seems like it's not about you gonna get there or not. It's about like whether you go or reach there quick or you go slow and reach there slowly. So it's just the only thing that I see here. I don't see you losing it. I don't see you not getting what you want. Your wish will be granted for sure. Whatever it is, whoever it is that you're going towards, you are going to get there and you are going to get what you are going for. I don't see you fail in any way. Now, whether you go full speed or whether you go slow, that's going to be different for different people, but I feel like for majority of you, you are definitely getting your wish fulfilled. um for some of you, you will have to do a lot of effort on your way to this. I do see that, for maybe 50% of you, your wish is going to get granted this week time, but it's not going to be an easy task. If it applies to your work life, you will have to do a lot of hard work during this time to get what you want. If it applies to your love life, and then too, I feel like, you will have to convince people. You will have to make up, maybe not people, maybe you will have to convince the person that you are in a relationship with. So I do see that you will be having your ups and downs in this week time, emotional breakdowns as well. But at the same time, I don't see you giving up on it. I don't see that you are going to feel like, no, oh my God, maybe I should not consider it. I do see you very strong headed that way, but at the same time, yes, I do see you having your lows and highs during this week time as well. You will have to pursue this. You will have to make it happen, basically, whatever it is that you are dealing with, whatever it is that you're going towards. Um, but I finally see you getting what you want for sure. Um, let's see, what is it? You might be, for some of you, you might be traveling towards your person. Um, you could not do that before because of your work scenarios. Maybe you were not financially stable, or maybe you were not financially independent, so that's why you could not do it earlier. But now you are, so I do see you going towards someone that you love, or somebody who loved you. It can be both ways. Like, it can be somebody that you love, you're going towards that person, or it can be somebody who you know who loves you, you're going towards that person. um I feel like, the summer months are going to be very significant regarding the two of you in this connection. Um, But I feel like, this person, whoever it is that you're going towards, they are definitely going to give you hard time now. They're not going to let you come in their life easy. So you will have to make efforts to win their heart again. Because I feel like, this person is definitely somebody from the past, and you have been, you have took a lot of time to reach out to this person. And now it's like, now they're mad at you is what I'm picking up. And they really need some real action coming from your end, and then only they will be letting you in their life. Otherwise there's no chance. um but I do see positive changes coming ahead for the two of you. Let's take some cards for the person that you are dealing with. What are they feeling for you? What are they feeling for you? Hold on. What are they feeling for you? What are their feelings for you? They have kind of, they have kind of managed to have control over themselves about their feelings for you. Maybe earlier they used to be somebody who would never be able to control themselves and their love for you, but now they are. Like, they know how to suppress feelings when they have feelings for you. When they can, when they want to express it, they do express it too. But when they need to hide it, they hide it too. So I feel like, they do have strong love, passion for you, but at the same time they are trying to work on their addiction for you. So I feel like, for some of you, um this person, um they were tired of you taking so long for making a move towards them, and they chose to basically, um they might have chosen to walk away from you in the past, or maybe they were like, waiting on for you, but then they chose to move on. But when I say move on, I don't see that they have moved on from you, but maybe they have moved on from the situation that you both were dealing with. And let's see if they are waiting for you or not. If they are waiting for you or not. They're waiting for you or not. They will be. With the star card, they will be. There's a big hope in this connection. But it's not gonna happen easy. I don't see that. It's not gonna happen easy between the two of you. So let's see what the oracle has to add to the reading. What do you desire right now? Visualize it and it will come about. Negativity will block your progress, so make sure that you don't think negative. Whatever you want with this person, go about it with a positive mindset. Don't block yourself thinking negative. Just think that, when you reach out to this person is going to say yes to whatever it is that you're offering them. Divine order, do what you feel is right. An important lesson is unfolding. For some of you, maybe you are going to unfold a, I feel like, for majority of you, you have unfolded um that important message already in your life, when and that's the reason why you are reaching out to this person, because now you know where this is, or where this will be going in future as well, for you. Maybe you were not ready to accept that, this person is the one for you, um for whatever reason that you were staying away from this person. And now you are going to reach out to this person. Maybe now you have learned the lesson that you were supposed to learn before you could take a leap of faith in this connection and move towards this person. So for some of you, you might have learned the lesson already. For others of you, maybe some important messages or lessons are yet to come as you reach out to this person. Maybe they are going to make you learn a few more lessons there. And yep, in that situation, maybe you will have to put an end to the relationship there. Maybe for some of you, the time has come to clear your energy, release your ex. For some of you, you might be losing on this specific someone because they will not give you a chance. That's going to be the case for some of you as well. Because I feel like, you might have taken a long time reaching out to them, and they might be waiting, they might not be waiting. Like, they have moved on, like I said earlier. Maybe they have moved on to a new relation. If not, then they have definitely moved on. They would like to see you back, but yes, if and only if you have something stable to offer to them. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this week time. If the reading resonates with you, do like, subscribe, and share. If you're willing to get a personal reading, you can always reach out to me for that on my email ID in the description box. Till I do the next reading for you guys, take care. Bye bye.